Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your Alcatel One 2019, for the first we have to go for the settings and we have to go for the advanced features and tap on the app cloner. And as you can see, we're able to clone only social apps. There's the Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, Snapchat and Instagram. And of course in my case I got only Facebook here, so I'm only able to clone this application, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So just tap right here on the switcher, and after that we can go for the home settings and just check where this is the Facebook. And as you can see here, we got the first Facebook app and it's working, and right now we can try to open the second. And as you can see, both of them are working. They are just working, right? And yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.